New listing. Wouldn't you love to call this adorable ranch your home? Well, now's your chance. Stop on this Sunday, 12th, for the first open house from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. to check it out. This home is adorable and offers you 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, main floor laundry/office, double stall garage and a parking pad for extra parking or recreational vehicles, shed and more. Enter into the home to an awesome area to drop your coats and shoes by the door, or enter directly into the living room area. The kitchen is cute with a window above the sink for beautiful daylight. Lots of cupboards for all your kitchen gadgets. Choose to grab a chair at the peninsula for a snack or in the dining area with another large window to let the sunshine in. Living room is cozy with closet for additional storage. Upstairs offers 2 bedrooms, one on each side of the house for privacy. The main floor laundry room with pocket door has enough room in it to also utilize it as an office or whatever your heart desires. Main bath is nicely updated, located in between the bedrooms. Head downstairs to a very large living area. The first part is plumbed in for a wet bar if you choose to put one in for entertaining, and the other end makes a great additional family room. This house has lots of storage areas. There is a door off the family room for storing all your favorite canned goods as well as extra house items. Utility room is spacious for more storage with a closet to secure other items. The water heater was replaced in 2019. The siding and roof and gutters have been replaced in 2021. This home is a must-see. Stop on into the open house.